ring from Japan, the Ninja. And her opponent from St. John's, Virgin Islands, the Barbarian.
Here we go. This match will not be pretty. It will be grit and power and determination that will determine who comes away with the win.
A ferocious clothesline, just devastating.
Remember, this is a no disqualification matchup.
Excellent step there.
King.
And remember, we still have that blockbuster main event tonight.
Oh, yeah. You aren't going to want to miss what happens there. Boy, Michael, we have the best job in the world getting to call matches like this. Hey, Michael, does that remind you of your last date? Look at this. Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh!
Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight.
Oh, my gosh! They used to be used as such an evil asset. There's the sit-on! That'll make your arm tingle. Oh! Oh, my motto would be, love thy neighbor, if I live next door to her. Oh, man, paintbrush!
Oh, man, did you hear that? The Ninja.
I don't know what's going to happen here. Hey, Michael, does that remind you of your last date? Oh, he got her.
Again, this is a no disqualification match.
Hey, Michael, does that remind you of your last date?
And the knuckles connect.
Oh, man. Talking about strategy. There was a strategy session between our cameramen earlier today to ensure that no matter where the action goes, we can cover it.
Well, that could break your back. Right on the bridge of the nose.
The Barbarian climbing the rope. Oh, that did it.
And the Ninja takes a stiff shot. Once again, no holds barred in this match. Everything is legal. What does the Ninja need to do at this point, Kane?
It's going to be a tough fight no matter how you get down. You know, this is the WWE, so anything can happen here.
That'll leave a mark. A sharp kick.
You know, Michael, when God invented Lycra, he was thinking about diva matches. There's a bullseye on that arm.
Just targeting that arm.
Oh, look out!
The ninja into the clinch. This is all about desperation, about survival, inside these steel surroundings.
Get ready, folks! Get ready!
A vicious elbow drop delivered with a lot of force.
Just missed that one. Uh-oh. He's even following him like that.
Elbow drop. Drives the elbow down again.
Uh-oh, the ninja. Oh, no!
The ninja wins.
When you win by knocking your opponent out, you win big.